Mr. Lee. Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir, baby. Yeah, that would give me easy. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Yes, sir. That's a demon right there.
Sound like one too.
Yes, sir. He had all his stuff on. He had all them lights and stuff on.
Oh, they got that?
Yeah, got in that truck. That look sharp there, boy.
That's one that was sale, boy. What's the sale sign on that one?
I don't, was it? I like that Chevelle, that Joker nasty.
All these things nasty.
They nasty.
I'm at a thrill of my life just like I'm at the racetrack.
Yeah, lying, right?
Just a bad Lord will I'll be in it next year.
Yeah, that's right. That's straight. It's gonna be right up in here too. You crank that 351 up, they're gonna be all right now. '68 right there. 68 right there doesn't sound good too. Boy, look at that thing coming out of here. Yeah, it's a bet.
What he do too?
Yeah, that nigga made a damn 9 trips AM don't rag out of it. Yeah. Something you ain't like, dude. Look at the front of it. Look at that 69 coming out here. Well, I don't know what that. Oh, Joker smooth.
That would have been a pretty cool event too.
Yeah, I ain't lying. They got that white on that Joker nice. The white on it is pretty though. I mean, it's just clean. But boy, what he done to the back. He'd have let you lay in and take a picture of that thing if you wanted. I said, when I get in one of them, I ain't gonna know it. Oh, Mustang sound good too though.
Sound good, look good too.
Oh, Viper boy. Yes, sir. I like the color on that car there, bro. Yeah, ooh-wee, that's a 300, that's a 315. Look at that, that's a big block car there. That blue one? Yeah, I don't think he even know where it is. I love to hear that old 540. Are they going out down there too? Yeah, they go out down here. They going out down here too, ain't they? They going out down here too, ain't they?
Yeah.
You gonna put that in back, son?
Ready to go, John? I put my battery charger and stuff in there.
Okay.
They want to ride with you out of here.
Okay. They coming out over here.